everyone, and thanks for hanging out with me. Another video about a new car coming out next year, the Porsche Taycan, whatever. The first electric car from Porsche. We pronounce it Porsche in German. I know it's Porsche or whatever you States or in Britain call it. I've seen the first videos from the press, the first pictures of the press car a year ago, whatever, when it came out, and it looked really amazing. And I've seen the spy shots of the car charging, driving around, and because of all the camouflage, it looks totally weird. They even gave it exhaust, so people don't know. But for me, when I hear the stats and everything, it's not. I'm sure it will drive more sporty than a Tesla Model S, but the acceleration is less, and that's fine with me. I don't need the car to accelerate faster and faster and faster. And the range will be okay and everything. What I think that excites me is the battery technology, and it's great that if they are developing such a thing, that this will be available for other cars in the future, even small cars, an 800-volt system. Because of that, you get your current can be lower, or if it's the same level, you get more kilowatt into your battery when you charge, and that's amazing. Think about it, from around 400-volt system up to 800-volt system, and with the same current you can charge double the kilowatts, so the power. And that's why they're building this Ionity chargers that can go up to 920 volt, but like I said, the battery will be around 800. Of course, if it's empty, it's the state of charge is low, then it's less voltage, that's normal. And then it can take the CCS2 up to 500 amps off the charger, but of course it will not use all of it. But Porsche says it will charge with 300 kilowatt, and of course that's amazing. That's great. So they say up to 80% of charge from around 10, I think, will be done in only a few minutes, and that's awesome. So charging 200 kilometers of range in a few minutes, that's the dream of every electric car owner. That's what we want. Then we don't need 200 million chargers, because the person in front of you is done in a few minutes, then you can charge. So it's okay to wait for 10 minutes. It's like in a gas station where a lot of people have to get gas. And for me, that's the best about this car. All the stats, how it looks like, of course the price, it will be horrendous, not interesting for me, but that the battery technology is going in this direction, and that because of that, German car manufacturers created Ionity and are building chargers that can go up to 350 kilowatt charging, and they're building more and more, and then they want to build 400 all over Europe, with only a distance of 200 kilometers apart from each other. That's something great for electric car driving. So I'm very happy that they're doing that, and in the future other cars will have 800-volt battery technology as well, and charging will be fast, and that's great. So hopefully they succeed with this technology, and it will come out soon, and I'm doubting that I will be able to drive it, but looking forward to that and seeing videos about that. But thank you much for watching. Leave a comment below if you want to tell me what you think about the car. Have a great day and take care. Bye.